Hello, hello! Today we are going to make a monkey. Well, this looks very interesting. Yes, we see 4 steps right here and a beautiful monkey here. So, let's take our pencil and start making this. Yes, we will make a circle for the face, another circle for the front part of the body, and another circle for the back part of the body. After that, let's make this curve and go till the entire tail. Then we will make lines for the hands and the legs. And now we will start making the tail properly. Next is we will join the back part of the leg to it. Make the legs slowly and nicely. And just in case if you make a mistake, you can erase it and make it once again. Let's make the second leg now. Let's make the bottom part slowly and nicely. And now let's make the front part, the 2 hands of our monkey. We will make the palm just like a human's palm. After that, let's connect it to the body and then make the face. Let's make this beard-like structure and then the face inside. This looks great. Complete it slowly and nicely. Yes, by making the features. Let's make the facial features together. Let's make the facial features. The eyebrows, nose, eyes, and then the face. We will nicely join it to the body. Erase all the overlapping parts. Yes, the ones which are rough. Join it slowly and nicely. This looks amazing. Once we are done with that, we will start sketching this, but not in a regular way. We are going to make these lines a little rough as they look like the monkey's body hair. So let's make it like this. a little bit of zigzag lines, touching each other. They look like four, isn't it? Let's make this now. Complete the entire thing in a proper way. And make sure you go very slow while making the details or the intricate features of the monkey. Make the nose slowly and nicely. And then the eyes. Finally, let's make the palm properly. Go very slow while making it. And make the nails as well. Use the tip of your sketch pen to make these. This looks amazing. Once we are done with this, let's erase all the pencil marks. And then start coloring this. But before that, we need to make a very special feature with our brown sketch pen, which is going to be these lines. Yes, if you see your drawing carefully, you will see these lines which are made inside the body, and they are again the hair of our monkey. So let's make them together. Yes, let's try making them in one direction at first and then start making it all over its body. You can make these lines slowly and carefully. Let's continue making more of them. Go very slow while making it. Complete the entire body, and this looks like a beautiful texture on top of the monkey's body. This looks amazing. Once we are done with that, let's take a brown color pencil and start coloring right here. This looks beautiful, isn't it? Continue coloring inside in a similar way. There are going to be times when you have to press the color on top of the paper. Yes, to get a darker shade. This is a color pencil, and hence there are going to be times when your nib breaks. But not to worry, you can sharpen it once again and continue coloring. Let's take a darker shade of brown and do it right here, as this is where the shadow is forming and this space looks a little more darker. So let's do it this way. Yes, now we will take the lighter brown and do it right on top. This looks very interesting. Let's take skin color and start coloring inside right here. This looks so attractive, isn't it? Complete the palm and the back part as well now. Yes, in a similar way. Make sure that you do not leave any white spaces. And look at that, our monkey is ready.